Electrostatic induction. In the presence of a charged body, an insulated conductor having positive charges at one end and negative charges at the other end. EMF, the total amount of energy supplied by the battery of the cell in moving 1 coulomb of positive charge from the positive to the negative terminal of the battery. Endoscope, a medical instrument used for exploratory, diagnostic, and surgical purposes. Electric current, the time rate of flow of electric charge through any cross-section. Electric potential, the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to a particular point in electric field. Electric power, the amount of energy supplied by current in a unit time. Electromagnetic induction, the production of an electric current across a conductor moving through a magnetic field. Electromagnet, the type of magnet which is created when current flows through a coil. Electron volt, the kinetic energy that an electron gains when accelerated between 2 points with a potential difference of 1 volt. Electronics, the branch of applied physics which discusses those principles and ways by means of which we control the flow of electrons, using different devices.